Okay. Hi guys. Today I'm gonna be doing PacketTracer 2.9.1 on the Cisco, and we're just gonna get right into it. As you can see, completion is 0. I'm gonna try to get you to completion to be 100%. And as you can see, we have our addressing table, objectives, scenario, instructions, requirements. My goal is to just get you to 100%, so I'll just get right into it. So first thing is user console connection to access each switch. You will find your console cable right under connections here, and your console cable is always the blue one. You'll connect it from your switch under console to your PC under RS232, and you do the same for the other switch and PC. Okay, now we're going to start with the first PC, the one that says user 1. Click on it, go under desktop and terminal. Make sure everything is the same, press OK. And the first thing I do here is to just press enter so that you can start typing. And you can write enable or en as I like to do, and then config T, and you may be able to start. Instruction says to rename the switches. So in order to rename, just write host name ASW. Please write them exactly as they are. As you can see already, it's starting to count to 4%, so we need to get it to 100, okay? Then they say use the password for all lines. Just write line console 0, enter. Password is 8UB RU. Okay, then write login always and exit. Okay, and now they want to use the secret password. So you're gonna write enable secret C9WRE. Okay, and then they say encrypt all clear text passwords. So you just write surface password encryption. My bad, my service is wrong. Okay, there we go. And then it says configure an appropriate message of the day. In order to do that, just write banner MOCD and access denied. If they do specify a certain message of the day, please do write as specified. Otherwise, access denied is just, it works well, okay? Then they say configure the addressing tables according to the addressing table. Okay, so go back up and you have your addressing table. Okay, and here we're gonna say interface or int, in my case VLAN1 IP address. Your IP address is right here. Okay, so write it exactly as is. 10 10 10 sorry 10 100. Okay, and don't forget to put your subnet mask. Okay, and then right after that, do not forget to write no shutdown. Shutdown. Then they say save all your configurations. In order to do that, to save, you will write copy running config startup config. Sorry, my bad. You have to exit first, exit again, and now you can do it. Copy running config startup config, like so. Okay, you press enter again, and there you have it. Sorry, before you do go out, go into your IP configuration and fix your IP addresses. In this case, we'll be dealing with IPv4 addresses. So on your user one, this is your IPv4 address right on your addressing table. So 10, 10, 10, 4. And your subnet mask. And there. Okay. Now you go to your other PC right here and user 2, and you will do exactly the same thing that you have done. Right onto terminal. Okay. Again, start off by pressing enter. You're going to enable config C as always, and then you're going to rename it hostname ASW. Okay, and again here we have to have the password for all lines. Start by writing line console 0, password AUB RU. Again, log in and exit. Then we have to have a secret password, so enable secret C9WRE and encrypt service password encryption and an appropriate message of the day. Sorry, I'm OCD. Again, access denied because we don't have anything specified. So just write anything that sounds appropriate. Sorry, my access is misspelled. It wouldn't really matter though because it is in the inverted commas. Okay, and now they want us to configure our table. Okay, our addressing table. We just write interface VLAN1, right? And put the IP address 10, 10, 10 on 50, and your subnet mask right next to it. And again, write no shutdown, exit, exit again, oh sorry, exit again, and save everything. And in order to save, we write copy running config, start up config. And there you have it. So once you're there, exit the terminal, go into your IP configuration, put your IP address as stated. Now the IP addresses may differ according to what you are given, of course. So these are my IP addresses. Here, do write the IP addresses as you are given, okay? And there you have it, a completed packet tracer. As you can see, completion is at 100%. I'll see you in my next video. Good day and God bless.